Hello, I'm Professor Susan DeGise. This tutorial is on practice 3.2b. Directions. Listen to the following melodies and write the most likely time signature onto the staff. So let's go ahead and listen to number 1 from Tchaikovsky's 1812 Overture. All right, so I'll do this one with you. Notice that we have 4 notes beamed together here. So that is a good chance that's a subdivision. But then also notice that we have 2 notes beamed together here, which is a good indication that that's a division. So remember that sometimes you'll have 4 notes beamed together, but it won't be a subdivision, right? So that's a little bit tricky. But here we can kind of see these 3 notes, the 8th note and 2/16, are all beamed together. So that's probably beat 1. These 2 8th notes are beamed together, so that's beat 2. And then we can divide these 4 into 2 groups. So this is 3 and this is 4. So there are 4 beats per measure, and the quarter note would get 1 beat because 2 8th notes equal a quarter note. So that would be 4/4. Tchaikovsky chose to write common time. Now, if you did do 2/2 or cut time, those would be acceptable as well because the tempo is pretty fast for this one. Tempo refers to the speed, so the speed is pretty fast for this one. Let's go ahead and try number 2. First, let's listen to the example. All right, take a moment, try to guess what the time signature is, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Okay, this one's pretty clear. If you look at a measure like this, you see there are 3 quarter notes. So this is in 3/4. Again, if you see the word waltz, there's a really good chance that this is in 3/4. It could be in 3/8, but it's going to be a triple meter. Triple meter referring to 3 beats. So the top number will be 3. Let's try number 3. First, let's listen to the example. All right. So take a moment, figure out the time signature, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Okay, so now we can kind of see a very clear subdivision of 4, and we can clearly see a division of 2. So that means there are 2 beats per measure, so we'll put 2 on the top, and a quarter note equals a beat, so this is 2/4. Okay, if you found this exercise tricky, the best thing to do is just to look and listen to as much music as you can. So whether it's music you're learning in your lessons or in your ensembles, or just music you're listening to on YouTube and you find the score on IMSLP, just be aware of what the time signature is and how music is written for that time signature. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 3.2b. Thank you for watching.